All right, YouTube, this is Tom at Buxton Auto. I'm located at 4232 East Interstate 30 in Fate, Texas. Our website is buxtonauto.com. I have up for sale today a nice 2010 Chevy Silverado pickup, a little bit newer than I normally sell. This is a cash sale. The vehicle does have a bonded title. If you don't know what a bonded title means, it means the original buyer or owner, excuse me, lost his title. So there is a process with the state where you can apply for a title and you literally pay a bond in case there's a problem with the vehicle later. So I have done that. It is not a rebuilt title or salvage title. It is a bonded title. You can call your state DMV if you have questions about that or do a little Googling, but it doesn't necessarily affect the value of the vehicle. It just stands up against it on that 1 in 1,000 chance that there was a problem. I've actually sold in excess of 100 cars with a bonded title on them. It's a process I'm very familiar with. I don't want to overthink it, but I do want everybody to know about it before they come look. Anyway, it's a 2010 Chevy Silverado LT. It is the Texas Edition package, if that makes a difference to you. The truck has 143,000 miles on it. It is a 5.3 liter engine. It is an extended cab, which means it has those half door things. Power windows, power locks, tilt, cruise, satellite radio, heat blows hot, AC blows cold. I've put about 1,000 miles on this truck, tooling it around, waiting for my paperwork to come through. So that's that part of it. It is cold today in Texas. It's like 42 or so with the wind blowing, which kind of sucks. I am going to do a quick walk around video so you can get a look at the truck and see what it looks like. And if you have any questions, you're welcome to give us a call at 972-635-2723. That's 972-635-2723. Let me step outside. We'll do a quick walk around on this video on this cold ass day, and would love to see you come take a look at this truck. Okay, here she is. I apologize for the road noise. I am right off the highway. My son-in-law got me a nice Bluetooth microphone, which I haven't bothered to hook up yet, but here's the truck. So body's pretty straight. Doesn't look like it's ever had an accident on it. We did do a quick buff to it. Inside, you see the handles and the controls are still in good shape. Driver's seat, which typically wears out right here, does have a small hole there. I'm not sure that that's a cigarette butt. I think that's just a wear mark. We put a new center console on because those are always worn out. Does have the famous Chevy dash crack up there. Nothing bad, doesn't make a lot of noise or anything like that. Back seat, I guess it's good for small children or small people. Does have a kicker box in it, which I don't know much about. I actually have disconnected it. Being an older fella, I don't care so much about the thump of the radio. It's got custom wheels and good tires on it, plenty of tread. If you look at the back here, there's a slight indentation here on the bumper, and there's a slight bend here on the tailgate. But it does have a nice rhino-lined truck bed. Goes up onto the rails as well, looks nice. Got some running boards on it. Again, this side's in good shape. Seats are all in good shape. My carpet shampooer is crapped out on me, so it needs probably could use a little detail work. Did want to point out it's got a Flowmaster, I believe, on it, so it's got a deep throaty exhaust. Sounds pretty good. Engine's nice and quiet. Like I said, I put about 1,000 miles on this truck. Haven't had any issues with it to date. No other warning lights on inside. I got it inspected already. She's got good oil pressure, drives nice, ready for a new owner. If it's something you think you can work with, give us a shout here at Buxton Auto. Thanks for watching.